Hello everyone, welcome back to Level Up Phonics. In today's lesson, you are going to learn what is double T. You might have seen in few words double T together. So, how do we pronounce that sound? Double T together, the sound is t, t. Let's see some words. Attic, attic, attitude, attitude, attend, attend, battle, battle, battery, battery, bitter, bitter, letter, letter, metal, metal, rotten, rotten, bottom, bottom, butter, butter, cattle, cattle, clatter, clatter, hatter, hatter, kitten, kitten, matter, matter, pretty, pretty, shutter, shutter. So, this was about double T sound. Double T together, the sound is t, t. I hope my videos are helping you. If you feel so, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive many more educational videos from my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.